Hello children, now 5th class mathematics. Take out your textbook children. So what is our chapter? Our chapter name is first chapter bigger numbers. BIGGER bigger, NUMBERS numbers, bigger numbers. In this chapter 2, page number 11, open it children. Page number 11. So in that page number 11, see all of you. Do not find the exact answer, just estimate. So do not find the answer, just that answer will be estimated. See here. Choose an answer closest to the correct answer and encircle it. So what is the correct answer? That's answer to encircle it. Okay. So write this question children first of all. Write this first question. Shambhu went to the market and spent 128 rupees on food items and 413 rupees on clothes. About how much money did Shambhu spend in the market? So how much money Shambhu did spend? So here 128 rupees only is spent on food and clothes to 413. See here children, first one, solution. He spent on food items. Food items. So how much he spent? 128 rupees. He spent on clothes. So how much? For clothes, 413 rupees. He spent in all. In all. So here what we'll do? 128 plus 413. Here not doing addition, just estimate it. So in that numbers, in which number to in between only came 400 or 500 or 600. So in 100 place to check it children. Here 100, here 400. So answer 500 above only. Yes. So in tens place 2, 1, 3 and so that number is 530 above only. So in 530 above number, so in which numbers to between having, in which number to near having 530 above number, 30 or 40 above number. So 500. So near the 500. So 3 plus 8, 11, 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 541 near the 500, not 600. So 550 after number will give means that number near the 600. So are you understand children? So 550 after number will give means 600 to near. So before only came this number, that's why that number near the 500. So write this all of you children. First of all, write this question. First question, write all of you. So afterwards, write this answer. Write all of you. Bigger numbers. So second one. Second one, observe children here. Second question. Ganga goes to the market. See here. Ganga goes to the market with 372 rupees. How much? 372 rupees, and spends 193 rupees. About how much money does she have in her purse now? So write this question, all of you children. First of all, write this question. So Ganga goes to the market. So how many rupees to she goes? 372 rupees only having. So how many rupees she spent? 193 rupees. So remaining money? So 372 minus 193. So all of you completed question? So now write answer. Ganga have money. So how much money she have? 372. 372 money have. She spent market. So how much money she spent? 193. Remaining money. So how much money is remaining? See here. So here we'll do addition or subtraction. So 2 minus 3 directly is possible subtraction? No. So we are taking the borrow. So here 12, here 6. 12 minus 3, 9. 6 minus 9 directly is not possible. Here also borrow. 16. 16 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8. How much? 8 or 7? 7. So 2 minus 1, 1. So here what numbers given? 179. So here 200, 100, 300. So 179 numbers. So in which number to near having? So in which number to near? So near the 200. So are you understand? Near the 200. Next one. So first of all, complete this. Completed all of you? So next third question, write all of you children. Third one. Krishna has 321 rupees in his purse. So how much? 321 rupees. So his mother gives him 618 more. About how much money does Krishna have in his purse now? So he has 321 rupees in his purse. How many rupees? 321 rupees. So his mother given how much? 618 rupees. So total money how much? So third one. Third one answer. Krishna has money in his purse. So how much money he has? 321. 321. His mother gave money. So how much money gave? 680. Total money. So here 321, 618. So 1 plus 8, 9, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 9. So what is the answer? 939. So here giving 900 and 1200, 800. So in this number, which number to near having? So 900. So circle it children. So write this answer and circle it. Write all of you, write properly. Write properly children. So all of you completed? So okay, next question. Fourth one. Write all of you fourth question. So page number 12, fourth question. There are 1482 men and 1683 women in Rachapalli village. According to the 2011 census, about how much is population for the population of the village. So write this question children. See fourth one answer. Population of men. Men's population. How much? 1482. Population of women's. Women. Population of men 1482. Population of women 1683. Population of the village. So village population. So total population only. See here 2 plus 3, 5, 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carry, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, so 3165. So in which number to near? 3000, 4000, 5000. So in which number to near having that? Near 3000. So 3165 only answer? Yes. So 3165. So in which number to near? In 3002. So are you remember children? So in which number to near? So 500 after will came means, so next number you take. So write first of all this. Write this answer children. So all of you completed. Now fifth one. Fifth question. THERE there, ARE are 842 pages in a book. Anthony has read 421 pages. About how many pages does he still has to read? So total, write this question children, all of you. Fifth question, right? There are how many pages having in this book? 842 pages. Write this question first of all. Fifth one. So fifth one answer. Fifth one answer children. Number of pages in a book. So how many pages are there in that book too? 842. 842. Anthony has read number of pages. So how many pages he read? 421. Number of pages does he still has to read? Has to read. So how many pages he has to read? See here. 842 minus 421. So 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 421 number. So in that number 500 and 300 and 400. So in which number to near only having that? 400. So children, you don't do the subtraction, just you estimate it. So here only, easy for you children, I will explain that. So here we'll do subtraction. So in 100 place number only you check it. 8 minus 4. So how much 8 minus 4? 4. So 8 and 4 in which place to having hundreds place? So 400 above only that number. So 4 plus 2, 6 like that. Okay. So are you understand? So next number. Next to sixth question you write children. There are 417 coconut trees in one grove and 386 in the other. About how many trees are there in all in the 2 groves? See here. How many coconut trees are there here? 417 coconut trees in one grove and 386 in the other. So how many trees are there in the 2 groves? So write that question. So total will add, children. 4 plus 3, 7. So here 1 plus 8, 9. So 790 above only answer will become. So 800 to near only. Yes, we are check it now. Okay. Number of coconut trees. So how many coconut trees? 417. Other trees 386. So total trees 7 plus 6. How much? 7 plus 6? 13. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 5 plus 3, 8. So in which number to near? 700, 900, 800. So in which number to near having this? 800. So we are estimated only 800 above, like that only. So write all of you. So write this neatly. So these also right answers. Write properly, children. So next 7th question, children. About how much is 904 more than 418? So this this problem already I will explaining only. So practice it, children. Remaining problems you do practice. Write notebook to need handwriting to write, question write and answer also write. Okay, children. In next topic, in next class I will explain.